What up guys, welcome to my video, and today in this video I will be showing you guys how I do my high puff ponytail. So the things you need are a comb, a brush, bobby pin, leave-in conditioner by Cream of Nature, and a Shine Jam, edge booster, some string from the braiding jewelry, and right now, as you can see, I am spraying in the leave-in conditioner all over my hair. My hair is very dry and thick, so I sprayed that in order to detangle it. Look at me, just spraying. Alright, now here's the part where I start detangling. Alright, we're done detangling. Now, I roll up my sleeves. Let's get to the good part. Spray some more leave-in. Realized the bottle was in the way. Now I take my Shine Jam and begin to start slicking around the perimeter. Alright, now, Wild Girl hair oil, holding spray, and my silk scarf. Just gonna oil my scalp a little bit. If I can get the top open. Alright, oh, there it goes. Edge booster, put that around the perimeters as well. setting spray. Hold the gel in place. Hard brush. Get it nice and slick. String, position it, and I'm just gonna push it up until I get the desired pony that I'm looking for. Alright, now I'm just going to rub that back and forth till it disappears. Alright, now I'm going to take the bobby pin to secure it in place in the back. Then to hide it in the front. More leave-in. Now take my comb and begin to puff. Now I'll take my scarf and wrap it around to hold the slickness down on my puff. Okay, and now I take off my silk scarf. Look how slick that is. Alright, just now checking it out. That's my dog. Alright, bye.